Today I want to show you guys this tactical flashlight. This is really cool unit. It has rechargeable battery inside. It is 1800 milliamp. You can also remove the battery and you can just use regular AA batteries. So that is really cool. You just take out the battery. You can see it has this charging port. You just charge it with the Type-C cable it came with. So very easy operation, and it has really nice sturdy body and it is waterproof, and you can easily carry around with you with this clip. So really cool unit. It has bunch of different modes, the side and the front. So the way it works, you just press the button over here. Once you do that, it will just light up. So let me turn off the flash and show you guys. So as you can see, this is the lowest setting. So if you continue pressing the button, you will see this is another, and you have one more, and this is the brightest. So as you see, it can cover pretty good amount of area. You can see it just provides nice illumination around you. You can easily look and search. It has a flashlight as well. I mean, the SOS, it can flash. So if you press and hold the button, you will see it will activate the site as well. So once it's activated, if you press the button again, you will see it will cycle through different modes. You can just continue pressing. It has blue light as well. Blue light is uh, like you can just read something, look into some stuff, but uh, it doesn't really provide a lot of brightness. But the other side, you can see the other white, kind of soft white, provides good amount of lighting. You can see it's the kind of lantern, so that is kind of effective. And again, this is red light. This is also effective. You can see, you can look around and identify objects, so that is cool. So also it's like flashing with different. Overall, really nice, very cool unit. I hope you guys found this useful. As you see, it also has this SOS. Thank you for watching.